welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to freeze broccoli. This is the first year that I have successfully been able to grow broccoli after 3 years of trial and error. This is what I was able to harvest. What I did, I brought it in the house, filled up my sink full of water, put some vinegar in it, and let it soak for about a half hour, and that drew just about every bug out of that water, out of that broccoli. And then I took the broccoli out, rinsed it, and dried it real good. So I refrigerated it overnight, and here we are. And now I'm going to cut up these broccoli into little florets. Then I'm going to vac and seal them. The purpose for me with broccoli is I love broccoli soup, and I love a lot of broccoli in my soup. And this winter, I think I'm going to have plenty of broccoli soup to eat. Any broccoli that is not so good, I have like a little bit of this piece like here. What I'll do with that, since I make my own dog food, which I will link in the description below, I use vegetables also, and this would be good for the dogs. All right, let's get chopping. So out of 6 broccoli, here's the ones that we are going to vac and seal. Now this looks probably really good to you guys too, but it's not, it's all wilty. So I'm going to chop it up a little bit and put it in the freezer. That way when I make my dog food, I can use that, my vegetable. And this here is all the scraps left over. This will go to the chickens and the ducks and the geese. All right, let me go ahead and seal this side. And there's only one way to find out if the bag's big enough, is to make one. I like 4 cups of my broccoli in my soup. So let's kind of see what we got here. Okay, smash it down in. I have found these vac and seal bags. I've had produce in up to 2 years in them, and they're still nice. Oh, there's 1 cup. Easier to do it this way. There we go. Make it easier. That size. I did forget to mention that I did blanch these for 3 minutes and then put them in ice water, the broccoli here, and then let it dry real good. This is what I have. I ended up with 3 servings, good nice size servings for broccoli soup, and then just about a cup of broccoli that was left over, probably to put in 8 omelets or something like that.